light of truth is shining in my heart. So gently you're persuading me. The shadow of lies has lost its place. Your breath of love surrounds and sets me free. The more I know you, Jesus, the more I rest within your love. How could I not believe in you? How could I ever turn away? Oh, Jesus, I can't help but love you. You are alive today. The noise of the world is fading away. Only your voice remains within. Your tender eyes, your gentle hands restore my soul and lift me again. The more I know you, Jesus, the more your love is holding me. Your truth, your life, your endless grace are living deep inside of me. Your love's the reason my heart beats. Your name, the song my soul repeats. Wherever my breath may fall or rise, Jesus be glorified. The more I know you, Jesus, the deeper I fall into grace. Your truth is guiding every step. Jesus, you're alive today. Over the sea where the wind softly whispers, flows the song within my heart. Though I cannot see, I still can feel. Jesus, you are living in me. Across the sea of Jesus, my prayer drifts away. A tiny light spreads through the sky. Even when you seem far, you're always near. Your love is calling out to me. At the edge of the sky where white clouds rest, your gentle smile forever stays. Without a word, you know it all. The deepest place inside